Hey love, so I will not be showing myself in this video because this is going to be a cooking video, as you guys can see. And yes, I have my nails off. I took my nails off when I got my feet done the other day so they can air out a little bit, because I get my nails done this weekend, because I'm sure a lot of you guys gonna be like, oh my god, where's your nails? So that's the tea on that. So as you guys can see right here, we are going to be making the best turkey burgers in the world. Now, I'm sure you guys are gonna be like, they're probably not the best in the world, bitch. To me, they are, okay? So you guys know I don't eat beef anymore. I haven't ate beef in a while. You guys know I haven't ate pork in almost 17 years. So right now I'm just eating chicken, fish, and then turkey, and that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all I eat. Um, so you guys saw me make these burgers on my Snapchat. These are my garlic turkey burgers. They're so good. One thing about turkey, when you're cooking anything with turkey, as far as, let me say, not turkey, because I do cook smoked turkey legs and they have a lot of flavor on it already. But I will say, when you are cooking ground turkey or even ground chicken, you want to make sure you have really good seasonings, because if you think you're just going to cut this meat up and not cut it up, open this meat up and basically just throw some salt and pepper, girl, that's not how you're gonna eat this meat. It's not gonna have no flavor. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make mine. So I have 2 packs of ground turkey. I do like the meat with no hormones added or steroids. And then this one has 19 grams of protein. So I get the 85% lean and 15% fat, because when it comes to ground turkey, you want to have a little fat in it, because ground turkey can be a little dry, but if it has a little fat in it, it's going to be juicy. So I have 2 packs of these. So what I use for mine, now this is what I use for mine. You don't have to use all of these, but if you want a nice burger with a lot of flavor, this is what you want to use. So I have seasoned salt, onion powder, chili powder. Yes, I put chili powder in the seasoning when I'm seasoning the burgers. Minced garlic, and I use, it doesn't have to be any type of famous brand, it's all the same. And then I use the Gourmet burger right here. This is so bomb. Crushed red pepper flakes, we like it a little spicy. Black pepper and Worcestershire sauce, or Worcestershire, however you guys pronounce it. And then butter and an onion, because the way I make these turkey burgers, it's basically going to be like a garlic bacon cheeseburger with bacon, grilled onions, and of course I put this in the burger as I'm making them up. And then of course you guys know, me and my husband do not eat pork. The kids still eat pork though, so everyone, when I'm cooking, I cook everything the way I'm going to eat it. So my kids do eat turkey bacon. As a matter of fact, we don't even buy pork bacon anymore at this point. We used to buy pork bacon for the kids, but now they prefer the turkey bacon as well, so I just use it. And then I'm going to make potatoes. What the fuck? I'm going to make potatoes? No, you're not, bitch. I'm going to make homemade french fries. I'm basically going to peel these potatoes and slice them up, season them a little bit, and fry them. That's pretty much it. And that's what we're doing. So I'm going to go ahead and put the meat into a big bowl and show you guys exactly how I season the burgers. Okay, you guys, so first off, I like to put my Worcestershire in here first. And I don't measure anything, you guys. I've been cooking so long, you guys, I don't need to measure anything. So that's that. And I take the seasoned salt and I just do it like so, like twice. I take the top all the way off the crushed red pepper flakes, because it's just easier for it to come out that way. We like our burgers kind of spicy, so I do that with that. And then here's the chili powder. I literally just go over it the same amount of times, but this is kind of hard to come out. That is the chili powder. And then this is the Gourmet burger seasoning mix. Honestly, you guys, I'm probably going to put about that much. because it's so bomb. And then this is the onion powder. But like I said, there's going to be grilled onions on top of this. And then I don't put the black pepper on it until after I make the burgers up, so the black pepper can stick on top. And then I take about this much garlic and I just put it in there, because these are garlic turkey burgers. So I do that. And then I'm just going to mix everything up and form the burgers. So here are the burgers, you guys. Now I'm about to cook them. So here's the burgers, you guys. They're cooking. Only 3 can fit in the skillet. So I always just cook my kids' burgers first and my husband. I cook mine after I'm done with theirs. Everybody likes theirs medium well. I like mine well done. I don't like no pink at all. So I'm just going to continue to cook the burgers. And I'm about to peel the potatoes, slice the potatoes, and fry the potatoes as well, so everything can be done at the exact same time. So right here, you guys, I have olive oil, sliced onions, salt and pepper, and minced garlic. This is going to be the sauteed onions that's going to be on top of the burgers. I just let these cook down a little bit. I kind of like mine a little burnt. So this is going to be the topping for the burger. So I just added some Worcestershire sauce in the onions, you guys. And I'm going to stir it up. And then as you guys can see, I'm cooking 4 slices of turkey bacon because of course it's 4 of us. I'm just going to let this cook for a while because they like it kind of crispy. And this is going to go on top of the burgers as well. So the bacon is done and it is nice and crispy. Okay, guys, so I just peeled the potatoes and sliced the potatoes. I use seasoning salt, lemon pepper, and Parmesan cheese to go on the French fries. That's what I use. That's it. And then I'm going to season them with that and just fry them just like that. I'll show you guys what they look like once I'm done cooking it. So the fries are almost done. As you guys can see, I am cooking my hamburger now. And then over here I have 3 of the burgers over here. I've already added the cheese while the burgers was in the skillet, and then I put the grilled onions on top. And now I'm about to add the bacon, which I put the bacon in some foil to keep it warm. I'm about to put the bacon on top of the onions and put it in the oven for like maybe 3 minutes so it can all melt. And then that's pretty much it for the burgers. The food is done, you guys. We like to add jalapenos to the top of the burger, so the burger is done. It has cheese, grilled onions, the turkey bacon, and jalapenos, and then they just add a little mustard to it. These are the fries. They're really crispy, and I just topped it off with some more Parmesan cheese, and they're really, really good, you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a big thumbs up. If you guys want more cooking videos, just leave it in the comments down below. Leave some comments down below of different food items you guys want me to cook. Like I said, this was Snapchat requested, so shout out to everybody who fuck with me on Snapchat. Y'all know I post with y'all. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. Snapchat get first dibs on everything. Snapchat saw it first. I love you guys so much. Until next time, you guys, bye.
Baby, your picture perfect. Your smile, God made it perfect. Don't let nobody tell you different. Baby, you're so worth it. You was beautiful in every way. When I'm describing it, it's all I say. Gorgeous as you are to me.